In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix and edit mobile view on Shopify. If you're running an online store through Shopify, ensuring that your mobile view is appealing and functional is crucial. Not only does this enhance the shopping experience for your customers, but it also impacts your sales positively. Let's dive in and go through the steps to perfect your mobile storefront. First, head over to the Shopify website. Once you're there, click on the login button to access your account. After entering your details and getting signed in, you'll find yourself on your dashboard. Navigate to your online store section and click on Themes. Here, you'll see your current theme displayed. To make any changes, you'll want to click on the Customize button. Inside the theme editor, focus your attention on the top center toolbar. You'll notice icons representing different devices. Click on the mobile icon so it's shaped like a phone. This gives you a preview of how your store currently appears on mobile devices. Now, while previewing this view, a common need might be adjusting your hero image or video to better fit or resonate with mobile users. To do this, you may prefer to work with images or videos that are 1024 by 1024 pixels. Don't worry if you don't have the right image or video handy. A fantastic tool to use is Canva, a versatile design platform. Head over to Canva and start by clicking the Create icon at the top left corner of the page. You'll then see an option labeled Customize Size. Here, enter your dimensions as 1024 by 1024 pixels and proceed with creating your new design. Once you've crafted your design, which could be an engaging image or an enticing video tailored for your shop's theme, click on the share icon at the top right corner of Canva. This will allow you to download your completed project directly to your computer. Return to your Shopify theme editor now. Look for the hero section or media banner of your mobile view on the left side menu. Click on the Change button, choose Replace, and then click on Add Files to upload the image or video you created. After adding your file, ensure you finalize by selecting it and clicking on Done. Finally, remember that no change is official until you save it. So make sure to click the Save button at the end of all your hard work. To admire your edited masterpiece, pull out your mobile device and type in your store link, or simply use your mobile app to experience the polished and responsive design you're proud of. Enjoy providing an impeccable shopping journey for your customers directly from their phones.